Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are on a portion of the Intracoastal Waterway in Fort Lauderdale, and we are here. I am here because the homeowner next door has bought this property and is taking this house down so that he can do something else with the property and wants a giant oak tree placed somewhere on the lot. So we'll go do a little bit more informing as we go along, but for now this is really all I can do. It's just the lot is not available to look at because the house is in the way. But in about 9 months, the house will be removed, and hopefully we will have the job of bringing in a giant 50-foot by 50-foot oak tree to place somewhere on the lot. This is one of the things we do, folks. Call us, go to our website, thetreeplanters.com, contact us from there, and whatever it is you want with big trees, we are the people to get it done for you. Have a great day.